In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to sew a satin stitch. So for this, I've got 6 strands of embroidery floss and a needle. To get started, we're going to come up the back of the material and just push the needle through and pull through the thread. And now we're going to line our thread up and we're going to go down in a straight line. And again, we're just going to pull the needle through. And that has made our first stitch. For the next stitch, we're going to come up right alongside the bottom of the first stitch, pull through the thread, and again we're going to go down in a straight line next to the stitch that's at the top. This is such a lovely basic little stitch, and it can often be used for filling in patterns on embroidery designs. You can do longer and shorter stitches, and basically all you keep doing is you keep sewing next to the stitch at the bottom and then next to the stitch at the top. I think this is such a lovely simple stitch, and it's so versatile for your embroidery designs. And that is how simple it is to achieve a satin stitch. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I will look forward to seeing you again in my next one.